Right, okay. What I've done, again, I've done a video for you because, you know, you need a little bit of help. Or should I say maybe mum and dad needs a little bit of help. Now then, you've got your scissors, but kids, make sure when your parents are using your scissors, please tell them to use them safely. You know how dangerous they are. We've got our glue, because we need that. And today, because it was a lovely day today, I was thinking of making a pretty picture. So let me move some of this stuff out. Okay. Hopefully you'll have this all cut out ready. Right, now then. First thing we're going to do is, as you can see, there's a large circle and there are 4 small circles. Well, we don't want the small circles at the moment, so we'll just move these over here, shall we? Okay. Now, also what you can see is there are 8 triangles. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 large triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4 small triangles. So, what we'll do is we'll get making our sun, shall we? Come on then. So, I'm not going to glue this down for a minute. I'll wait until I do all this for you, and then I'm going to glue my picture all together when I've finished. Okay, so that's the 4 large triangles. Now, to make the sun look really good, we're going to put the small triangles in. Okay. Ta-da! Look at the sun! Wow, we've done a good job. Okay. Now, you might be wondering, why does Auntie Ali want zigzaggy bits of card? Well, I'll tell you, because they are to make your grass at the bottom as if you're in your garden. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll pop them down there. You can glue yours in, that's fine. All right, like I say, I'm going to glue mine in when I've finished. Okay, now then, also we had 2 long strips of card or oblongs, and we had 2 small strips of card or small oblongs. Okay, so these are going to be for the stem for the flowers. Okay, so I'm going to put mine, you can decide where you put yours, but I'm going to do mine like this. Okay, I'm going to put another flower there, and I'll put another flower right there. Okay, now then, obviously you saw the cupcake cases. If you haven't got these, don't panic. You can just do a big circle and you can still do exactly the same. All right, is what I'm going to show you now. So parents, watch this because the children need you to know how to do it. So you just basically, just snip, snip, snip. Oh, gets a bit funny, this bit. Snip, 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 keep snipping until you've done all of it. Okay, there's the last one. There we are. And there, if we turn it inside out, look at that. That looks like a flower, doesn't it? Okay, shall we glue them on our picture to see how they look? Come on then. Right. There we go. My favourite colour is pink. What's your favourite colour? You can do yours any way you like. I'm going to do mine like this because I like pink flowers and they've got to be together. Oh, and look, I'm going to do those like that. Wow, how does that look? Right, now then, for our little circles, what we have to do with them is they have to go in to the centre of the flower, don't they? That's so that Mr. Bumblebee can come and pick up his nectar, yeah? So we're going to put that one in there, and I think we'll put a yellow one in that one. What do you think? Okay, and we'll put another green circle in there. Wow. And then we'll put the last one There. Brilliant. Wow, look at my picture. I'm really pleased with that. I'm going to make sure that I glue everything else down and I'm going to put it up on my bedroom wall. Okay. Enjoy yourself doing this and make sure that you send through some pictures to Auntie Ali because she'd love to see what you do. And then I'll see you next time. Okay? Bye now. Love you. Bye.